Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to talk about the two new updates that we have introducing in hostel and library module in school system. So let's check it out. So once you log in into school admin, on the left side menu you will have the library. Just click on it. So these are new updated modules that we have recently introduced. So you will have more features in the library module now. So just click on the plus icon and you will have the new books that you can actually add to your inventory in your library. So book title, book number, the number is to identify within your library your ISBN number, publisher, author name, and all different information that is necessary to find and locate the book in the library. So let's find, we can also add a category, whether it's a comic book, whether it's an engineering book, or something like that. And then you have rack location, so you can identify R1, R2, whatever rack you have, you can locate this particular book in that. So we have just added a book into the system, and that book, if we click, it's appearing like this. So it has a detail page where you can also see all the information, and then you can also issue the book to students, right? So you might have the library card number, so you can select the student, and it will and enter the library card number, and you will have the learning period for how many days the student will, and then you have the return date automatically popped up. And you can also send email if you want to notify that this book has this certain validity for you to return the book. So we have issued the book successfully to this particular student, and it can actually show you all the details. And then when they come back and return the book, you can say accept return, so that you can manage the returns as well. So that's the library module. Now let's check it out, the hostel module. So you can click on plus icon. You can define, so there might be different blocks in the hostels, like you might have 2-3 buildings or 2-3 blocks in halls. In some countries it's called halls. So you can give the hostel name, type, whether it's a boys hostel, girls hostel, or any specific type that you wanna identify with. And then you can have the capacity and some description about, also the address is important, so you can have that as well. And once you add an hostel, you can then go and you can click on the detail page of that particular hostel that we have just added, and it will show you a lot of different details, right? So in a particular hostel you might have different rooms, and each room might have different beds, so that you can define over here. So we'll just add one room over here, and then you have room type. You might have spatial or VIP rooms, or it might also have the different rent associated with that. So that is helpful in that sense. You can then give it some description, and each room might have different features as well. Like, some room has air conditioner, so you can have that microwave or washing machine. So you can define all different type of facilities that particular room has. So this will give idea about what are the features, what are the facilities available in that particular room. So that we can configure from here, and when you're ready you can just click on add room, and the room will be added into the system. So we have just added one room, RM004. Then you can also assign the bed to a student in this particular room. So any student that you want to assign this to, you can select the room ID, cost, description, and then once you add the bed, so let's just add some bed description. This is optional field, you don't need to add all the time. And once you add the bed, that is something you can assign to a student. So let's just view the bed. These are the details that we added. So it's available. If it is occupied by some student, then it will say it's occupied. So let's go back to the room list, and then we can assign the bed to a student. So this is the recently added bed by us. So we'll assign this student this bed. So we have assigned this bed successfully. So this bed is now going to be an occupied bed because we have assigned to a particular student. And you can go on and you can add new rooms or new beds and assign to different students. So that's the two new updates to hostel and library module. Thanks for watching the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.